Magandang araw guys. Katatapos lang ng ating election at isa si dating Pangulong Duterte ang nanalong mayor ng Davao City through landslide. Sabi pa ni DILG Secretary Remulla na they recognize former President Duterte's victory in the Davao City mayoralty race. Landslide nga ang panalo eh. He will coordinate daw with the ICC to allow Duterte while under the custody of the Hague-based court to take oath in the presence of the Philippine consul. The question kung paano mag-work si dating Pangulong Duterte kung nasa Hague siya at nakakulong. Sabi naman ni Secretary Remulla ng Vice Mayor can act as mayor during former President Duterte's absence. So this is the first time happened in the Philippine politics.
We recognize the victory of former President PRD. Siya ang dineklara ng COMELEC na mayor. Dinalaga siya, na-proclaim siya a day after elections. Overwhelming mandate. So we recognize him as the mayor. Ang gagawin ko na lang ay magpapaalam ako sa international ay sa ICC kung pwede pumunta ang consul natin para makapag-oath siya. Kasi kailangan mag-oath siya to assume office eh. So in his absence, the Vice Mayor will be there. Pero ang number one concern namin makapag-oath siya as mayor. Kailangan at physically present ka eh. So in his incapacity na hindi niya kayang magsilbi, ang Vice Mayor muna ang uupo doon. But we recognize former PRD as the duly elected mayor.
And babasahin natin itong mga comment dito guys. Sabi ni Don Stan Famador, so I guess we'll see him around Davao City soon. And according naman kay Vincent Irving Lubguban, irregularities in the government. And kay Pabilyaran Detdit, hay nako, nag-resign na, but andyan pa. And kay Coaching Elvira Bravo, traitor is always a traitor. No credibility at all. Don't listen to this. Shut up, man. And according naman kay Nick Vivero, how foolish is the law to let people in jail run for a government seat? Shouldn't it be restricted or automatically disqualified? Just saying. And according naman kay Solen Santiago, bring him home na lang, sir. And ito naman kay Florence Catilo Roche Kutamura, ikaw sa puli dito, sir, tatay siya muuli dire. Bisaya. And according naman kay Lydia Beronkel Heniston Pulenyo, bring back FPRRD to the Philippines. His detention is illegal and kidnapping. The president should be impeached and responsible of his arrest should all go to jail. At ang sabi naman ni Trev Douglas, he was kidnapped and he did not campaign, but he won by a landslide. Di ba sampal ito sa mga kidnappers? And lastly, itong comment ni Noah Manibog, power, di daw kidnapping. They can do it to anyone. Why they are ripping apart our dearly beloved country? Titingnan na lang natin ang mga susunod na mga kabanata kung paano i-handle ni Pangulong Duterte ang situation na ito. At sabi nga nila, pwede rin in behalf of him ay ang kanyang anak na si Vice Mayor will be the acting mayor. Prayer na lang natin guys na hindi na magtatagal si dating Pangulong Duterte sa Hague at makakauwi na ito to perform his duty as Davao City Mayor. The people of Davao City really love him and they are waiting for him. So hintayin na lang natin ang mga susunod na mga kabanata sa sinabi ko kanina. God bless the Philippines and God bless us all. Mabuhay tayong lahat guys.